Hello guys. Well, I finally finished version 1 of Bounce. So, I'm going to show you guys the finished product for the first version. Okay, so I have the source code over here. So, let's really get into the code of it. So sometimes that just goes into a different perspective. So let's just get into this. Okay, so I got everything set up. Libraries are linked, and the code is good. Okay, so got the collision. I finally got the collision to work. That function always worked, but the logic. Let's get down to the logic that I ended up fixing. Okay, so last time this right here wasn't there. I made a bmove array which says, so let's see what it does. Okay, so if the ball is moving down, bmove equals 1, which means true. I just did true and false for it, so like if it's true. So if the ball is less than 33 for the y coordinate, so if it's up here, if it's less or equal, which is the scoring area, then 0 equals 0. So the ball is now going down, not going down. Okay, let me try to explain that again. Okay, so the ball, so if we get up here, bmove equals 0 is false, and bmove going down is true. And yeah, and if we have a collision with the pad, well, we want it to bounce back up, right? So then we have bmove 1 equals false, bmove 0 equals 1. So now it is moving up. Let me just put some comments in there because I got a little confused just now. So up. It's always good to comment your code. Okay, said that. So I added a couple features like mouse movement. So now, like, a second person can control the mouse to try to move the ball out of the player who's playing the game's area. So like, one player will play the game by moving the pad, and the other player will try to make it so they can't catch the ball on the pad. I also added some new features and stuff to it that I thought would be pretty cool. So let's play the game. After I restore the size of this code, I think it was this size. Yep, seems good. Okay, let's do this. Let's run. Hold on for a second. I believe I opened the wrong project. Hold on. Okay. I have a better idea, guys. Instead of running it through here, let's run it by the let's just run it by the distributable. I think you guys don't understand what I mean. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna distract it to my desktop. Okay. we're done. There it is right there. Let's open it up. Okay. So I have the licenses I have for all the different stuff. I have the logs that I went through. Here's the entire project progress for the entire period of time I was working through it. So you guys can see this, you can download it. Yeah. Probably should have deleted that, because that's for the next version. But I'll just keep it in there. Okay. So then we have the instructions, different keys you can use, controlling the pad, the ball, and the game. Okay. So pretty simple, I'd say. Progress. The reason I put the progress in front, yeah, okay, so the progress will be the most recent updates to the game, and the logs will be all the updates throughout the entire period of me making this game. So if you're on version 3, version 3's logs will be in the progress text file, and for the other versions you can go here and see 1 through 2 and 3. Okay, so then we have the licenses. For all the different libraries I use, you got Mixer, the zlib library, FLAC, FreeType for SDL, TTF, and then this for the font I made. And finally, just read me. This just says that the game is mine, and if you're going to edit it or anything, you're going to have to get permission from me. Okay. Well, let's run the game. See how we do. So, same layout. I add the text, and yeah. So, let's begin. F to start the game. Then you can move the ball with the mouse, and then the ball goes up. And once it touches the pad, it has constant rate of speed. You can make it smaller with 1 and bigger with 2 buttons. I added sound effects, and if it just gets too skinny or anything, you can just click R to restart the position and the size of it. But the direction does not change. See, if I do that, it still goes up. And you can use the J to make it the pad smaller, L to make it bigger, I to make it taller, and K to make it skinnier. Just like that, I, J, K, L little pad. And then, yeah. What did I just do? I just discovered that. Well, so that's what you guys can do. The game. So, and after you play the game, but once you lose, then it has working sound effects and stuff. So like, the ball will turn color. Play sound effect. After you play the game, you can go to STD out, and it outputs your score for every play. So my score is 0 because I didn't score anything. So if I actually make a score, actually score some points. Going up, going up. Come on. Now, if I go to the output file, let me lose. Now let's see the output file. It now says your score is 1 and the speed is 210. In the next version I think I will add speed changing for the amount of scores you have. So your score will affect the speed of the ball. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You guys can download this file. I think I'll post it onto the internet so you guys can download it, play it, tell me what you think of it. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.